Hi, in this video I will show you how OneDrive works, which is a solution provided by Microsoft to store your data online, which is useful if you want to be able to access your data from whatever device. In this demonstration I will use OneDrive Personal. Let's start by launching the app. You have to enter your email address and then click on sign in. It's loading. So here is where your OneDrive folder will be located by default. You also have the ability to change the location by clicking there. For me it's fine, so I'll click on next and I'll choose to use this folder. Here are displayed the different folders that you can back up. In this demonstration I will try to back up only the documents and pictures folders, so I'll disable this one and click on start backup. So you can see that it's syncing. Then you'll click on next again, and I'll open my OneDrive folder. So here is my OneDrive folder, and as you can see you have the status column with some icons. I will explain the meaning of the icons. So the rotating arrows means that the files are syncing, and you can also see the meaning of the icon by hovering over the status column. So you see that the sync is pending. The green check mark icon means that the file is available on your device, which means that when you are offline you can access the file. And you can see, I think there's an issue with the syncing, so I will pause it for seconds and resume the syncing. So as you can see, the files are being uploaded and are displayed over there. And the cloud icon means that the file is only available online. That means that when you are offline, you can't open those files. And if you click on a file that is only available online, it will download a copy on your hard drive. So you see that the icon just changed. You also have the white check mark icon. That means that the file is always available online. So you may ask, what is the difference between the white check mark icon and the green check mark icon, if they both mean that the file is available on the device? The difference comes when you are using the storage sense functionality available from Windows 10. So I'll go on storage settings, and you can see that this functionality allows you to free up space by getting rid of files you don't need. So if you want to use it, make sure that it's on, and we can click here to configure it. And if you scroll down, you can see the content will become online only if not opened for more than, let's say, 1 day, for instance. The files that have the green check mark will be affected by the storage sense functionality that is set up, and not those. Those files will always stay on your device. And you also have the ability to free up space by hand if you want. So you right click either on the file or the folder, and you see an option that lets you free up space. So you'll see that it turns to a cloud icon, and you have the reverse option to always keep the files on your device. So let's access OneDrive Online by clicking on the OneDrive icon on the taskbar, and you have to click on View Online. So on the My Files section, you can see the folders that you chose to backup. And now I will show you how to share a file or a folder. So you right click either on the file or the folder and click on share. Then you can add an email address, for instance. You can also add a message, and you have some settings that you can set up. So right now you can send this folder with everybody, and below, so you can let the people either modify it or read it only. And you can also add an expiration date and define a password that is required to open the folder. Those parameters need the premium version. So once it's done, you click on apply. And if you want to see with who you shared a file or folder, you right click and click on manage access. And you'll have the list of the person you shared the folder with. You'll have a recycle bin that is available on OneDrive too. So you can delete a folder and you'll find them there. And you can also restore them by right clicking on the folders and clicking on restore. So another thing that you find in OneDrive is a vault where you can drop your files securely, which is secured by Microsoft two-step verification. The vault automatically locks after 20 minutes of inactivity by default. You can change this option, and it automatically turns off the sharing to keep your files private. So the files that you shared with other people turns private when you put them on the vault. That's it. I hope you guys find it useful, and see you.